Hey, Abby. Hi. Did you just get done eating? What was it that you ate? What were you eating? Well, I just had one of your peanuts that you left on the bed. What? One of my peanuts I'm having for the movie tonight? We're watching a movie. You ate one of them, didn't you? Did you have one of my peanuts? I left it lay right there on the bed. No. She just helped herself. She had most of this one. You ate one of my peanuts. Not good. How you feeling? I guess dogs aren't poisoned by peanuts, right? You aren't. You'll be fine. Well, that was delicious anyway, right? You like peanuts. What else do you like? Chasing your tail? Get your tail. Where is it? Where's your tail? Is it behind you? Your tail's behind you. Does it follow you everywhere you go? I think you do. It does. You know it does. So you want me to sing? I know you want me to. You like my voice, don't you? Can you cover your ears? Can you cover your ears and I'll sing for you? You ready? Want me to sing? Do you want me to sing? Tilt your head if you want me to sing. Abby, tilt your head if you want me to sing. Yes? Blink your eyes if you want me to sing. Ha-ha. I know you blink your eyes all the time. So, Abby, look at me if you want me to sing. Oh, okay. Purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. I just want to see you laughing in the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain. I give up. My voice is not great. I sure wish it was, though. Get your tail. It's right behind you again. Did you go outside a lot today? You didn't? Because it's raining? Did you have any treats? You had some treats? Did you have a chew bone? Did you eat dinner? You ate your dog food? You did. I know it. Happy St. Patrick's Day. You only have a pink collar and you don't wear it. You don't like to wear it. You like to run and frolic in the yard. And you don't like to wear your collar, but it was St. Patrick's Day all day, wearing of the green. Yeah, it was. Really? Yes, St. Patrick's Day. Did you like it? Did you have fun running out in the rain today? Did you get the zoomies? Did you? Right now you're tired. Okay, I'll let you go. You want to go somewhere? Is that what you want? I think you do. Are you spoiled? A little bit, right? Oh, yes, I am spoiled. 'Cause look at me, I'm so cute. I am spoiled. Well, and I like Chimkin. Chimkin? You like Chimkin? Or did you say Shrimpkin? Did you say Shrimpkin? You like Shrimpkin and Chimkin. They're all good. Good foods for all you dogs. Are you a German Shepherd? Do you speak German? 9? I didn't think so. That's right. You're 1/8 Belgian Malinois. So you're from Belgium and Germany. So you still celebrate March 17th, St. Patty's Day. The Irish. So you are Irish too, aren't you? The wearing of the green. Give me a kiss for Irish. Kiss me, I'm Irish. Mwah! Thank you. You're so cute. We love you so much. Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling, o'er hill and dale, and everywhere we've gone. I forget the words, forgive me, because I love you. Oh, Danny boy, I like the tune of this song, but I don't know the words to sing the lyrics. I know that you will forgive me, 'cause you love, you are such a precious doggy. But you're a girl, so we named you Abigail, not Danny boy. The pipes are calling. Oh, Danny boy, you wanted to play the drums. Oh, Danny boy, I know that you forgive me, 'cause I can't remember the lyrics to this song. Happy St. Patrick's Day. We love you. We love you, baby girl. Look at that face. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you say that our dog is complete? Wouldn't you say she's the girl who has everything? Shh. Oh, she was actually going to sleep. I don't think I'll get a copyright for this song. I don't think I have the right melody, but if you want to, you can sing along. She's going to sleep. She's going to sleep. Look at her eyes. They're getting heavy. Her eyes are getting heavy. She's going to sleep. Good night. Good night. Go to sleep. Good night. Go to sleep. Now she just popped her eyes wide open. And we weren't singing Danny Boy, but now we're back to it. I love to sing, I love to dance, and I love dogs. I don't love everything they do. Sometimes